Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we are going to learn how you can recover the deleted images over on your Android. So kindly do watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. Alright, so in order to recover any image, all you need to do, you have to go to your Play Store and you will require this application named Photo Recovery, Data Recovery. Just simply install the application right away. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click a picture and then we will delete the picture and I'll show you how to recover it. So here I've clicked the picture. Now let's move to the gallery, and from here I'm going to delete the picture. Alright, so this is our picture, so just click on delete and you can see now the picture is deleted. And what you can do now, you have to go to application which we have downloaded from Play Store right now, and once it will set up, now click on let's start. Just cancel the ad, again click on cross. Now you have to go to the images and it will scan all the images which we have deleted in your past, and you will be able to recover after that. So let's wait for a few seconds until it proceed. Alright, so the scan is completed now and you can see okay, so let's click on got it, and you can see this is the picture which we have deleted right now, and now I can simply recover it from this application. So this is basically how you can recover the deleted images over on your Android. So all for today's video guys, I hope you have learned something new. Thank you so much for watching.